Alright, hey guys, today I'm working on Beast Fury. I need to do a test for a feature for selecting different color schemes for the characters. So I'll be working on something me and Ben, Juco the artist, something we came up with. Something to try, see if it works. If it works, it's gonna allow us to really go crazy on the color customization of every character. And so yeah, let's start working on this. First thing I need to do, basically, I got 3 layers here. I got a base layer, so that's just a test. Later we're gonna have more layers, but just for the test it's 3 layers. The basic layer, which is the custom layer, is the cape, the Vincent's cape, or the coat, trench coat. So you can see it's the white part is the part that's interesting for us. And then we got where is it? Where is it? Wow, I'm blind. Oh, am I crazy or it's not here? Oh my god, I can't see it. Okay, it's here. It was right here. Alright, so the set layer is the rest of the body. And overlay is the outlines, basically. And eventually this layer would contain the highlights and the shading. So alright, so first thing we need to do is turn all these images to 512 instead of 1024. So I'm just gonna load them all in Photoshop. And don't worry, I'm not changing all the images by hand. I'm gonna do a batch script on the whole thing. So I got some of the music from the game playing. Most of it is still work in progress. Alright, so batch, we're gonna do a batch resize on this, 50%. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, while this happens, I'm gonna set up some stuff in here. We're gonna have a character here. Test character. Gonna need a special class for it. Alright, this is done. Alright, and I'm using 2D toolkit in Unity to handle all the sprites. So I'm gonna do a new sprite collection, which is something from 2D Toolkit. Alright, and here I can add all the images that I have for this test. these, and custom. Alright, change some settings here. Okay, I think I can set this up in dicing, which is something to optimize the rendering. I think it's gonna be fine like this. No, I'll start normal. Alright. And I'll commit. It's gonna create the sprite sheet for all these frames. Alright, this is the class for my test character. So the goal of this system is to have the white layers that I'll change to colors by code, and so we can set any colors we want, and it's gonna look good if the system works. So first we gotta know if it's gonna work. We're not sure yet. So I'll need the 3 layers here. Alright, and it's gonna be a sprite. Animated sprite. And it's gonna use oh yeah. First I need to create the animations for this test. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increment this timer, and every 2 seconds I'm gonna change the color of the particular layer I'm interested in. The customizable layer basically, which is gonna be like a white layer, but I'm gonna change its color from white to a specific color. Alright, not sure what the code's gonna be here, but I'll just fill this in for now. So here I need to create the sprite animation. Here we go. Animation, and then here what I need to do is create a new clip. So just gonna use the collection that I created. Yeah, so I think I need to create an animation for each layer. I'll create the other 2. So test character, custom anim, and the third one is test character outlines anim. Alright, so the set one right here is gonna have a clip, which is a idle, well, just idle for now, it's just test. I'll be using test character. I'm gonna alright, so that's the set. That means it's the full body here. Use this. Basically we got this animation here. So for this one, that's all I need. Gonna apply this one. Do the same for outline. Gonna call it idle again. Same collection. But this time we're gonna use the wait, that's outline. Okay, so outline, the outlines frames. This one. We got this. Alright. Use this, and then the third one for the custom layer. Same thing. Idle animation. This collection. And the jacket this time. That's what we need. Right here. So we got this here like this. Alright, now that this is done, here we can use the sprite here and use the animation that we just integrated. So it's gonna be the set anim, idle, play automatically, and we'll do the other layers. Alright, so custom's gonna play the custom anim. Outline's gonna play the outline anim. Alright. And this guy's right here and he looks cool. If I move the custom part, you'll see that kind of hard to see because we're over white, but if I change the colors here, you see now this is really cool. That's where the system is going to be awesome. Alright, so this guy I'm gonna scale it up because he's very small. Gonna be right here with the other guys. And actually I'm gonna disable the other guys just for this demo. Alright, so set is here, this is here. This is gonna be over everything. Not sure why this is breaking. But, I'll do it like this. And, alright, let's just go like this. Seems to work. So, something went wrong, and actually I know why. Just gotta change some code. The game is actually loading animations. That's for when the game is exported, and when you start the game for real. It needs to load some animations, and right now I disabled some stuff that I shouldn't. So I'll just comment some stuff here, see if it helps.
Round 1.
Alright. That's pretty cool. So at least the layer works. That's a good thing. I've got some errors here, but doesn't really matter for the demo. Alright, so next thing I want to do is do the changing of colors. So what I need here is a reference to the custom layer, which is a TK2D animated sprite, I think. It's gonna tell me if it's not a good type. And every 2 seconds I'm gonna set its colors to something random. I'm gonna pop the documentation here. I'll try just like this. I don't think it's gonna compile right, but maybe. Oh wow, it did. Cool. Alright, so I can assign the custom layer here and see how it goes. If it works, after 2 seconds it's gonna turn red.
Round 1.
Oh my god, it worked. That is so freaking cool. There's some blurry stuff, I'm not sure if it's my fault or... I'm gonna check the overlay. Yeah, it's a bit blurry, I'm not sure. Maybe it's... I don't know, it's weird. Gonna check the textures that were created. Yeah, that's good. Alright. That's cool. And now we're just gonna randomize this color between 0 and this. That's gonna just randomize the colors every 1 second. I'm gonna change 1 second here. Every second it's gonna pop a new color. And that's basically the feature we wanted to try. Seems to work really well. Every
Round
layer.
1.
Oh. It's not working. Great. It's not good. Color, color, color. That's weird.
Round 1.
Ah, I see. It's basically colors are from 0 to 1, not 0 to 255. So it was always white, basically, with the random I got. I'm just gonna use like this. That's gonna be perfect. I'm really happy with this. I'm glad it works. Every color in each character will be its own layer, and so we can really easily customize the whole character, which is amazing. So that's really cool. I'm actually surprised how well it went to program this. That's really nice. 1 second is a bit too fast. You don't get to enjoy the colors. Alright, so that's what we got here. Really nice character. Gonna try to zoom in the camera a bit. Just gonna place the camera a little better. Alright, here we go. That is really cool. I'm very glad about this. We weren't sure if it would work and how we would go about customizing characters in the game. So there we go, and I feel I'm repeating myself, so I'll just stop talking and we'll watch this for a little while, and I'll end the video then. Actually, one thing that's interesting to know is that with this system we can give the players like a color wheel to customize their whole character. The hair, the clothing, the skin, the fur, the gloves, boots, and everything, basically. Alright, hope you enjoyed this little development video. Some updates on the game. And a view on some of the features that are gonna be in the game. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you next time. Ciao!